Best track saws. Are you looking for the best track saws? In this video we will look at 5 of the best track saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Festool 577014 Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55 FEQF Plus FS is a high-performance power tool designed for precise and efficient cutting of wood, plastic, and other sheet materials. This system includes a 55-inch guide rail, making it versatile for a variety of cutting tasks, from rip cuts to crosscuts. The Plunge saw features a powerful 1200-watt motor that delivers consistent performance across different materials, enabling users to achieve smooth and accurate cuts. The saw's design allows for quick and easy blade changes, using a spindle lock mechanism to replace blades safely and efficiently. The TS55 FEQF Plus FS incorporates Festool's innovative splinter guard technology, which helps to minimize tear-out on the material's cut edges, ensuring clean, professional finishes without the need for additional sanding. The splinter guard also helps maintain the quality of the guide rail, enhancing its lifespan and reducing wear. The saw's plunge mechanism is smooth and precise, allowing for variable cutting depths between 0 to 2 inches, which makes it suitable for different applications such as cutting doors, panels, and workpieces of varying thicknesses. The 55-inch guide rail included in this set is another highlight, providing a stable base for the saw, ensuring straight, splinter-free cuts. The guide rail system also allows the user to connect multiple rails together for longer cuts, enhancing the saw's adaptability to different projects. Additionally, the track saw system features integrated dust extraction, which significantly reduces mess and cleanup time on the job site, making it ideal for both home users and professional woodworkers. The TS55 FEQF Plus FS is designed with precision, durability, and ease of use in mind, offering a robust cutting solution that excels in accuracy, efficiency, and ease of use, making it a popular choice among tradespeople. Number 2. The Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit is a versatile and powerful tool designed for cutting a wide range of materials with ease. This kit includes a 40-inch track and a 7 to 1/4-inch TCT, tungsten carbide-tipped, blade, making it suitable for wood, plastic, metal, and other construction materials. The saw is powered by a 15-amp motor, delivering a robust 1,500 watts of cutting power, which allows it to handle tough jobs with ease, whether it's cross-cutting wood, trimming plastic panels, or making precise metal cuts. One of the standout features of this track saw is its multi-material cutting capability. The TCT blade is engineered to maintain its sharpness and durability across a variety of materials, providing clean, precise cuts without the need for multiple tools. The saw's ability to switch between materials seamlessly without changing blades saves both time and effort on the job site, making it a valuable tool for contractors, remodelers, and DIY enthusiasts alike. The included 40-inch track ensures straight, accurate cuts over longer distances, reducing the risk of user error. Additionally, the R185 CCSX offers enhanced safety features, including a plunge mechanism for controlled, splinter-free cuts, and a dust extraction port for cleaner work environments. The dust port connects to a vacuum system, helping to keep the work area tidy and reduce airborne particles during cutting. The saw is also designed for user comfort with an ergonomic handle and a soft grip trigger, which minimize fatigue during extended use. Its compact and lightweight design further enhances its portability, making it easy to transport from job to job. Overall, the Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit combines power, versatility, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for anyone needing a reliable tool for cutting a variety of materials. Number 3. The Makita SP6000J1 is a high-quality plunge circular saw kit designed for precision cutting across a range of materials, including wood, plywood, and MDF. This kit includes a 6'1/2" saw, a 55-inch guide rail, and a stackable tool case, making it a complete solution for both professional tradesmen and serious DIYers. The saw is powered by a 12-amp motor that delivers smooth and powerful cutting performance, allowing it to handle demanding cutting tasks with ease. One of the key features of the SP6000J1 is its plunge cut capability, which enables users to make controlled, accurate cuts into the material without splintering. The saw's plunge mechanism allows for a depth adjustment of up to 2 3/16 inches, giving users the flexibility to cut through thick materials easily. The 6.1/2-inch blade provides an optimal balance of cutting depth and cutting power, making it versatile for a variety of applications from trimming sheets to detailed woodworking. The included 55-inch guide rail ensures straight, precise cuts, reducing the need for additional measuring and setup. This feature is especially valuable for professionals who need to make multiple cuts quickly and accurately. The guide rail system also minimizes the risk of kickback during cuts, enhancing safety on the job site. The stackable tool case adds convenience for storage and transportation, allowing the saw and its accessories to be easily carried together, keeping the work area organized. Additionally, the SP6000J1 features excellent dust collection capabilities, with a port that connects to a vacuum system to keep the workspace clean. The ergonomic design, including a soft grip handle, reduces user fatigue, making extended use more comfortable. The saw also incorporates a safety trigger for smooth starting and a built-in LED light for improved visibility in dimly lit areas. Overall, the Makita SP6000J1 6.1/2 Plunge circular saw kit is a well-rounded, high-performance tool, offering precision, power, and ease of use for a variety of cutting tasks. Number 4. The Makita XPS01PTJ is a high-performance cordless plunge circular saw kit, featuring a dual 18-volt LXT lithium-ion 36V power system. This kit includes a 6.1/2-inch saw, a 5.0Ah battery, and a 39-inch guide rail, making it a versatile tool for professional woodworkers and contractors. The saw utilizes Makita's innovative brushless motor technology, which enhances efficiency, power, and runtime, allowing the saw to deliver smooth, precise cuts through a variety of materials, including wood and plywood. One of the standout features of the XPS01PTJ is its brushless motor, which offers longer battery life and more power compared to traditional brushed motors. The motor generates up to 4,800 RPM, making it suitable for demanding applications such as crosscuts and rip cuts in thick materials. The saw's plunge mechanism allows for easy, controlled depth adjustments up to 2.5 inches, enabling users to make both shallow and deep cuts with ease. This flexibility is crucial for tasks such as cutting door jambs, trimming panels, and making precise angled cuts. The kit's 39-inch guide rail ensures straight, accurate cuts, providing stability and reducing the chances of errors during operation. This guide rail system is designed to minimize kickback and allows users to make repeatable cuts efficiently. The inclusion of a 5.0Ah battery provides extended run time, allowing the saw to be used for prolonged periods without needing to recharge. The battery also utilizes Makita's Star Protection computer controls, which communicate between the tool and battery to protect against overloading, overheating, and overdischarging, ensuring enhanced durability and performance. The XPS01PTJ is also equipped with convenient features such as a built-in dust blower to clear sawdust from the cut line, a soft start function for smooth starts, and an LED light for improved visibility in low-light conditions. The saw's ergonomic design, including a comfortable grip and a well-balanced weight distribution, enhances user comfort during extended use. Overall, the Makita XPS01PTJ 18V X2 LXT lithium-ion 36V brushless cordless plunge circular saw kit offers exceptional power, precision, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for both professional users and serious DIY enthusiasts. Number 5. The Bosch GKT13-225L is a precision track saw designed for professional woodworkers and serious DIY enthusiasts. It features a 6.1/2-inch blade and a powerful 12-amp motor, providing smooth, precise cuts through a variety of materials including wood, plastic, and composite panels. This track saw combines Bosch's engineering expertise with user-friendly features, making it a versatile tool for accurate and efficient cutting. One of the key features of the GKT13-225L is its plunge action, which allows for controlled depth adjustments up to 2.1/8 inches. This makes it ideal for making both shallow and deep cuts, such as trimming countertops or cutting door jambs. The plunge mechanism is smooth and precise, ensuring clean, splinter-free cuts without requiring additional sanding. The saw's 6.1/2-inch blade, combined with its 45-degree bevel capacity, provides flexibility for a wide range of applications, from rip cuts to miter cuts. The saw includes a 39-inch guide rail, which ensures straight, accurate cuts and helps reduce the risk of user error during operations. The guide rail system also enhances safety by preventing kickback and allowing for repeatable cuts over long distances. The saw can be easily adjusted along the rail, making it convenient for both large and small projects. Additionally, the kit comes with a carrying case, which protects the saw and its accessories during transport and storage. The GKT13-225L is equipped with Bosch's anti-splinter guard, which helps minimize tear-out on the cut edge, ensuring clean finishes without the need for additional sanding. The saw also features an integrated dust port, which can be connected to a vacuum system to keep the work area clean, reducing mess and improving visibility during cuts. Ergonomically designed, the saw has a soft grip handle that minimizes user fatigue, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. The saw's overall design and build quality reflect Bosch's commitment to durability and precision, making it a reliable tool for demanding cutting tasks. The Bosch GKT13-225L track saw is a versatile, powerful, and precise tool that excels in both professional and DIY applications.